Hello, today I've got this 1977 GMC Vanduara. It's a G1500. I'm going to be working on it over the course of several videos, so I'm just doing this overall video separately to show how everything works. There's the passenger door, showed you how the door locks, the front hood, the front windshield, everything else. Now this van, it would have originally come with a Chevrolet 305 cubic inch engine. This one's been updated. I think it's a 350 and it's powered by natural gas instead of gasoline. So there's no fuel tank underneath it. It's got propane tanks. Here you see the driver's side. I've got a view of the interior. The seats on this van turn around. They can spin in any direction. They've got a lap belt. There's no shoulder belt. This van was also from the era when catalytic converters were just being introduced. So I believe it does have a catalytic converter. You can see the interior here is in the old style. The van from the factory would have just had this green finish all over. All this would have been added. Fairly contemporary. It definitely looks like that 70s era. Red carpet, green carpet, fake brown wooded panels. There you saw me working the door. I can also roll the windows up and down. There's a small little side window that you can flip open or closed. The van is pretty flat front. You sit right at the front. Very spacious back. Here we see the fuel cap. This would have originally had a gasoline filler. Now it's natural gas though. So that's what the cap looks like. That's what the filler stem looks like. There you can see the exhaust at the bottom, as well as the chrome bumper for the back. Tail light or signal light right beside that filler cap. Here's the van overall. It's got a spare tire. This isn't factory, it was mounted later. The guy I bought this from had put decently nice tires on it actually. This is a step above stock. Here's the back door, how it works. So you can just open it like that. And then both these doors open. So the only one you can open from the outside, this one you have to open from the inside. There's just this little latch on the bottom. And there you see it open up. You can see the wood paneling pretty well. You just instinctually know what era this is from. This just screams 70s, 80s, and that's in line with when the van was made. So, gonna lock that up, close that door. There's more of the van. Let's move to the engine compartment now. This is what you see. It's actually pretty easy to access things. I quite like this layout. It also comes with a jack. Don't know if that's original or if they added that, but it's over in the corner there. That's the engine, and then one thing that's missing is the battery holder. Should have been here. And then this is just cement fiber coating on the undercarriage. So that's what I'm dealing with in the next videos. That's my van.